Palm Riviera Mumbra, modern living in Thane. Welcome to Palm Riviera Mumbra, a stunning new residential project designed for modern living in the heart of Thane. Let us take you through the features of this incredible property that promises comfort, convenience, and connectivity. Palm Riviera offers thoughtfully designed 1 and 2 BHK homes, blending luxury and practicality. Whether you're a growing family or a young professional, these homes are perfect for all. Every home at Palm Riviera is designed with intelligent space planning, maximizing comfort while ensuring privacy. Perfect for modern living, these residences offer a serene escape from the urban hustle. Location is key, and Palm Riviera Mumbra is perfectly positioned. Just minutes away from major railway stations and highways, commuting has never been easier. And with an upcoming metro line, connectivity is set to be even more seamless. Palm Riviera isn't just about homes, it's about lifestyle. Enjoy premium amenities like landscaped gardens, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a dedicated children's play area, all designed to enhance your living experience. Need shopping, healthcare, or essential services? Everything you need is just a short distance away, ensuring you have the best of convenience right at your doorstep. Prices for 1 and 2 BHK homes are available upon request. For more details, including site visits, floor plans, and prices, call us today at +91 937 250 4909. Let us show you why Palm Riviera Mumbra is your perfect home.